Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a quick video showing how far I've come over these few months of 2018 and how many positive comments I've had. Also, there will be an overview of all my props. Special thanks to Amar for really helping me with the growth of my channel and hope all goes well for your final exams. Here are all the props I've made starting from April to the end of 2018. Fortnite props are obviously the most popular because, well, it was the hit game of 2018. The top 3 videos were the Shadow Stone, the Grapple Gun and the Dynamite, and sorry for the blurry 480p thumbnails. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next year, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.